Psalm 119 verse 105. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. Joshua 1 verse 8. Keep this book of the law always on your lips, meditate on it day and night. Romans 15 verse 4. For everything that was written in the past was written to teach us, so that we might have hope. Isaiah 55 verse 11. So is my word, it will not return to me empty, but will accomplish what I desire. 2 Timothy 3 verse 16. All scripture is God-breathed and is useful for teaching, rebuking, correcting and training in righteousness. Psalm 1 verses 2 to 3. But whose delight is in the law of the Lord? That person is like a tree planted by streams of water. Philippians 4 verse 8. Whatever is true, noble, right, pure, lovely, think about such things. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Matthew 4 verse 4. Men shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds from the mouth of God. Psalm 19 verse 14. May these words of my mouth and this meditation of my heart be pleasing in your sight, Lord,